Why does the bank make this so hard? I thought automated banking was easy, but I don't even know my balance.
Remember me? I'm money, your money. Are you struggling like her? There's never enough of me. And if you want more of me, you gotta get organized. You gotta track it or lack it.
This debit tracker is exactly what I needed.
You don't, it's not
Excuse
funny.
me, ma'am,
Yes.
but your card was declined.
Okay, just a minute. Seriously? Eeny, meeny, miny. Just try this one.
How embarrassing. If you want more of me, you gotta know your balance. You gotta track it or lack it.
Hope it's enough money on my card. Yes.
Did you see that? He didn't track what he just spent. If you want more of me, you got to track what you spend. You gotta track it or lack it.
Dad, weren't these filled?
Not enough money.
Man, $200 in penalties? I should manage your accounts myself. But we both have so many, I don't know if I can.
You can do it. And here's how. The new Money Tracker. Do you struggle to keep up with your accounts and balances? You don't have to. This new Smart Money Tracker lets you track up to 50 different accounts, all in the palm of your hand and in real time. You need the debit tracker, my friend. With this Smart Money Tracker, you'll never worry if there's enough of me. Track money, have money. Got it? Avoid embarrassment. This one-of-a-kind Smart Money Tracker is your solution, and there's nothing else like it. The debit tracker puts you in control of me, your money. If you want to eliminate bank fees, organize your accounts, track balances in real time, visit debittracker.com. Find out how this new money tracker will end your financial worries. Your solution is debittracker.com. When money is tight, and it's got to be right, track it or lack it.
With this new Smart Money Tracker, I can manage all of my accounts and yours too. No more overdraft fees or worries. Now I can take care of everything.